This video guide will provide you with detailed instructions on how to remove the ransomware called Fgnh. Fgnh is a new ransomware type threat that is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware is able to damage all the files that customers store on their computers. The ransomware affects pictures, music, video files. Surely it also affects Microsoft Office files of any type. And after the ransomware attack, these files are no longer accessible. Customers cannot open their documentations anymore. So after people restart their computers or simply sign out and sign in back again, they notice that something extraordinary has happened and that the files have been considerably damaged by this particular Fgnh ransomware. So when we try to open this specific file on our test computer, we see this message: Windows can't open this type of file with the Fgnh extension. No matter what files you try to open, you still cannot open these files. The files are encrypted. And another problem is that simply removing this Fgnh extension does not decrypt the files. The files still cannot be used and cannot be opened because they still remain encrypted. Now, first thing we recommend you to do on your troubled computer is to go to the task manager, look for suspicious processes that have long random names like this one. Right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. To remove this ransomware, we recommend using Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. Go to this page, use this green button to download the software, install the application and start researching your device to detect and eliminate all other threats from your computer. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will begin researching your system. In your case, most likely it will first of all update its anti-malware database. And of course, this is crucial for proper malware detection and elimination. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program begins researching your system and will give you the summary of all the threats which were found during the scanning. Combo Cleaner premium version is provided with the excellent anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So after the anti-malware database is updated, as I said, the program begins researching and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, the summary of threats will give you the detailed information about threats. You will be able to know their exact location on the system. Based on that location information, you will be able to get rid of some of these threats manually. But even though some of them indeed can be deleted manually, we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium in order to remove all these threats automatically, and this way your system will be always protected against further ransomware attacks. Thanks for watching.